Hey guys, this is Dylan with DC Sewer and Drain. We put together a little video for you guys. It's not really an instructional video today, more or less just about the work done. So what happened was we received a call for a water leak in the attic on a 3/4 copper line. So we're going to be fixing that, and we're also going to be rerouting a ice maker line. Always remember, guys, cut your water off outside before you do anything water related. Let's get into the video. Well, as you can see here, it's where it's tapped in, and they have like 3 or 4 of these 10-foot lines all connected together. A lot of chances for a leak, so we're going to get all that out of here. And here is the leaking joint. It was this soldered joint right here. So we're going to be cutting all of this out, and I'm going to replace it with crimp PEX. And so come to find out, the valve that is in this line was also leaking. So we're just going to cut all of that out and tee it all back together as it was, but we're going to use PEX instead. In order to use PEX, we're going to have to use some fittings that are sweat to PEX, and so we'll show you now how we'll put all that together. You'll always want to clean the ends really well of anything you're going to be soldering before you flux it. This is what all 3 should look like before we start putting it together. Make sure you also clean your fittings with a wire brush and or sand cloth. Then we'll get to the flux, and we'll get to putting it together. Now, when you go to put it together, just ensure that your fitting is on all the way. And you will be able to see that by looking inside and ensuring the copper is all the way into the fitting. And now time for the fun part. I'm sure there's much better instructional videos out there to explain how to solder a joint than what I could explain, but I've been doing this for a while, so I'm just going to speed through this. Basically, for me, you just want to get that thing just hot enough to where the flux is starting to melt, and that way that solder can suck up inside of that fitting. And here you'll have the finished product of the PEX being put back in with a ball valve. Again, guys, there are several different ways you could do any of this. We're just showing you the way we did it. So here we drilled holes in the bottom of the cabinet and ran the line over to the sink and connected to a new 1/2 by 3/8 by 1/4 double stop, showing some examples here. All right, guys, that's a wrap on that one. If you have any questions or comments, you can contact us through social media or at 662-330-4530. My name is Dylan with DC Sewer and Drain. Thank you for watching.